Namalenge kungam sa taringi ge some important chemical compounds ki washing soda kalama tisi jagini. Washing soda, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Chemically, it is called sodium carbonate decahydrate. So, chemically, it is called as a sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10. So, chemical name of washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Now let's talk about preparation of this compound, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Preparation. It is prepared from baking soda. Now first let's talk about the preparation of baking soda. Baking soda is prepared from brine. When this brine is combined with carbon dioxide and ammonia, when this brine is combined with carbon dioxide and ammonia, we are going to get sodium bicarbonate, baking soda. We are going to get this baking soda, and this process is called as solvate process. So baking soda is obtained from sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, when combines with carbon dioxide and ammonia, it forms baking soda and ammonium chloride. And this sodium bicarbonate, when this sodium bicarbonate, thermal decomposition of this sodium bicarbonate, we are going to get so here thermal decomposition of sodium bicarbonate gives us sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. Again, now this sodium carbonate is not this sodium carbonate. This is washing soda. Here this is called as a soda ash. It is called as a soda ash, or it is also called as a anhydrous. It is also called as a anhydrous sodium carbonate. Anhydrous sodium carbonate is not a sodium carbonate decahydrate. So to obtain this sodium carbonate decahydrate, we have to rehydrate this anhydrous sodium carbonate with water. Okay, when we rehydrate this anhydrous sodium carbonate, we are going to get sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. And this is the preparation of washing soda. So in this manner, washing soda is prepared. Washing soda is prepared from baking soda. And baking soda is prepared by solvent process. So from this baking soda, the thermal decomposition of baking soda produces soda ash, carbon dioxide and water. This soda ash on rehydration, we are going to get sodium carbonate decahydrate. So this is the preparation of washing soda. Now let's talk about the uses of this washing soda. So washing soda is used in paper and glass industries. Washing soda is used in the preparation of sodium compound like borax. Washing soda is used as cleaning agents in domestic purposes. Washing soda is used to remove hardness of water. Water are of two types, hard water and soft water. Hard waters are removed by using washing soda. Used to make detergent cakes and detergent powders in soap industries. So washing soda is used in paper and glass industries. Washing soda is used in preparation of sodium compound like borax. Washing soda is used as a cleaning agent in domestic purposes. Washing soda is used to remove hardness of water. Washing soda is used to make detergent cakes and powders in soap industries. So these are the uses of washing soda. As you see here, washing soda or sodium carbonate decahydrate or hydrated sodium carbonate. It has 10 water molecules. Now the question is, this hydrated sodium carbonate, is it dry or wet? comparable number as two data. Oh, washing soda the comparable number. Similarly, there are many compounds like hydrated copper sulfate. This is hydrated copper sulfate, and there are compounds like, say, gypsum, all these compounds, they are hydrated. All these compounds, they contain water. Now the question is this compound, are this compound dry or wet? So to do this, let's do an experiment here. Say take a test tube. Take a test tube and fill it with copper sulfate crystals. Say this one are copper sulfate crystals. Fill it with copper sulfate crystals and take it to a Bunsen burner. So let's heat this on this Bunsen burner. What do you observe is that if you close this with a cork, by closing this with a cork, what you will see is that these copper sulfate crystals, which are blue in color, will slowly turn to white. This will turn to white copper sulfate. This will turn to white copper sulfate, white powder. And you will see water over there. You will see water. This water has come from these copper sulfate crystals. Okay, if you pour some water inside this, if you take it away and if you pour some water inside this, you will again see that these copper sulfate crystals, they regains its blue color. Just the copper sulfate crystals ching on the treatambata china, test tube ching, kakap chini, treitambata china, any langa mango shiuchi glass and toyong. And the color mumbo the kali kabu chatu, or the dig powder kabu chatu, any gun de la harchasna, any chumanguch tender, chu sibamanguch. The chu dig canel level, the copper sulfate crystals in the level that they are in the form of crystals. So sodium carbonate decahydrate is in the form of crystals, and hydrated copper sulfates are also in the form of crystals, and these gypsums are also in the form of crystals. Chesa also crystals ke form la yore, but ra crystals la du chane ya beta ganjo ke chata chini to chini yore, ine ke dige powder revesna mare che ta dige thwe tang suna dine khar thungudu water thungudus ine ke crystals korana ganjo lagwa chamata china crystals dige they are dry. Crystals are dry, but it contains water, and such a compounds are such a compounds are called as a hydrated compounds. Hydrated compounds let us know chu den deba o dindu chi ko nanglo chu dil khala gusna water of crystallization, that the water digela khala gusna water of crystallization. The water water crystallization. The crystals na water water crystallization. Oh, water crystallization Water of crystallization is a fixed number of water molecules present in the formula unit of salt. Oh, dinde chila ganju ki khal lag rahe na dinde chila water of crystallization gore. The water of crystallization ke example lag rahe na and sodium carbonate decahydrate is an example of water of crystallization. Hydrated copper sulfate CuSO4 5 water molecules. This is also an example of water of crystallization. And gypsum CaSO4 2 water molecule, the calcium sulfate dihydrate all the any kind of water of crystallization. The water of crystallization like the crystals formula unit salt formula unit of salt water molecule water crystallization and these crystals are dry, they get dry. And it dry rete, but it contains water. Khatu, we know it when we heat them. And the heat is not water. This you remove chatu. Water this you remove chatu. This and any cohar chatu was na any konango chudi ganza ma chinch and any korangea compound korate. Penasana copper sulfate. The heat is na white copper sulfate chatu da. The nichila any ganjukala was na. Water crystallization re any sodium washing soda lagyo hydrated copper sulfate lagyo gypsum lagyo dige chama kharcha bisna water crystallization re chesa da gypsum di nanglo ne gypsum di nganchu thresh tangsuna temperature takta je thresh tangsuna it will get converted into another white powder known as plaster of Paris. So let's talk about this. Plaster of Paris or POP, P-O-P, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is one of the very important common compound. So chemically it is known as calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium let is Ca, sulfate let the SO4, hemihydrate let is half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now you are wondering why there is a half water molecule. How is it possible? Water molecule with H2O. H2O they check a condition possible rest. The carcin possible rela na. Then the formula it can be written as calcium sulfate 2. Calcium sulfate kora ni any water molecule H2O. That the carcin hemihydrate table rela isn't it? 2 calcium sulfate compound chigla ra water ki tange water molecule chigita gore. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate Plaster of Paris is called as a calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Kharchen sina water molecule chik the compound ni share chikore. Two compounds of calcium sulfate shares a single water molecule. So it is written like that, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, or you can write it down like this. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Both are right. Niche tick there. All the calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now preparation of this calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate is prepared from gypsum. Gypsum is prepared as gypsum ladusane calcium sulfate dihydrate. When you heat this gypsum at a temperature of 373 Kelvin, Kelvin becomes sigla. 373 Kelvin la heat chibata china. This gypsum will get converted into calcium sulfate hemihydrate plus 1.5 H2O water molecule. 1.5 water molecule. On this H2O. On this. And this is called as a plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. One thing on to get gypsum is gypsum is a compound from where this calcium sulfate hemihydrate is prepared. Gypsum chi wanzo ki temperature digam chi la heat chi ta chi na ani wanzo kharal sila calcium sulfate hemihydrate tang ani water molecule tukshin rech and the dige sama wanzo ki 2 multiply tang ta chi na ani dige equation is half like equation ning jo me yo me yo cha re all the chin so this is the preparation of calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Now let's talk about uses of plaster of Paris. Okay, so doctors in hospitals, they use this plaster of Paris for supporting fractured bones in right position. Konzo ge doctor ki pena ye lagba chayo beta china ene khachi grsna konzo ge lagba di phage khir dillo masu to chillo basu en diga re tap tap diga re lomba tap tap diga jerkire en diga khachi grsna plaster of Paris chugu do chen char che those charge and this chene do shada khanza khar chadursna ko it will get converted into hard solid known as gypsum. Gypsum like a hard solid chadure and lagba bet kore dela cemented chadure. Oh, the day use shella and a doctor ki khar benchtan bisna and a plaster of Paris benchtan yes. Plaster of Paris is used to make many toys. Toys mango shio chi khare plaster of Paris ke in suyo de mango shio re toys to spinning jime yo yes. In the plaster of Paris plaster of Paris is used as a molding and casting agent. Kora molding the casting agent checheni decorative element in the era or the dig chetula and molding the casting the vegetable. Yes. used to make smooth surfaces. Sometimes our wall they gets damaged. Nganzo ki tsikpa ta denzo kala igan den phi yung du chane any kharchi usna kola plaster of paris chuk chen ko smooth sera in chitang da in tsikpa ra yin bat thong gore cheza o dinde ki smooth sera in kharbej da usna plaster of paris pej ta yes plaster of paris the kol pej ta usna surface chi smooth sera tsikpa ta denzo yos thang de ju yosna denzo changma yapo sera plaster of paris pej ta yes. It is a very good fireproof material. Oh, any plaster of Paris uses the tension, any plaster of Paris the Hachirisana, any Tarikasa, any Manguchi plaster of Paris page. Anzuchi Kambal Zimochunia and Zipa Sama, Salgati Ega to Yotama, Sama Suechene, plaster of Paris sugar, Menga de Pepatasina, any plaster of Paris any fractured bones, Tinsutan Sama Tapa, or Dick, and Tijela plaster the Garcia to the Nkotakan to steady or the Dick, any Legishu Chimpuchere, and then the toys that then to Sama mixing Gaya Tang, then to Sotanin, Jambu, Numbuyapochela, plaster of Paris the vegetable. Yes, and the plaster of Paris the vegetable when you keep this plaster of Paris exposed to the moist air, then it will get solidified, and that solid substance is known as gypsum. What it is? Plaster of Paris chengazuge bad kora kare chew the moisture that the din markabnarda and plaster of Paris chikharcha to gursina ko thapo chagi dila mazuge gypsum. Plaster of Paris the kharchaso gypsum on heating to the at 373 degree Kelvin, it will get converted into plaster of Paris. And plaster of Paris, when it gets rehydrated, it will get converted back to gypsum, which is a very, very hard substance. Or the hard substance. And that hard substance can fight fires. That hard substance which gives lots and lots of bright colors. So it is used as a molding and casting agents in the decorative elements within the vegetable. So these are all about plaster of Paris, uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris uses calling it those. Any digilobs and dinangola chapter acid, base, and salt. Acid, bases, and salt. This chapter nangola some important chemical compounds. Chemical compounds sodium chloride the chick, sodium hydroxide the ni, sodium bicarbonate the sum, dine matching chene, calcium oxychloride the she, dine kharchal de dinial kharsa washing soda, sodium carbonate decahydrate nga dine kharchak plaster of Paris o denzo thangda and denzo uses the jangai depending gachimore the lobzenangola and the khora part loga chikcheni ikchenale yugudu and water crystallization ani dani ikchenale songa and cheza denzo thanga jugine gachimbo cheliche mache bachinjangai dine gachimbo resha and the nyamdola and nyelobzen the acid, base, and salt and telachuktum shugui to chena.